going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel.
Alright, hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna start designing the bezel to put my Motec digital dash in my factory dash. The first thing I need to do is design this front face in Fusion 360. So to do that, I'll take that measurement, plug it into the Fusion. I'll take this measurement. I need to measure the distance between the two. That'll determine the width of the entire piece. And the second thing I'll need to do is basically design the back plate to create the depth and to hold this Motec. So we'll just show you what I did. Alright, so we begin with inputting all of the drawing dimensions and information for those ellipses I was showing you on the face of it. And there's going to be three different sizes here. So that first was the cut size. The second's going to be basically the wall thickness. And this third one's going to be the trim ring that's going to cover my hole that I cut in the dash. And again, I'm trying to cut the hole and keep the dash looking factory. And now I'm going to offset plane, and now I'm going to start drawing the back that fits the gauge itself. So I'm just taking all the information that Motec supplied with the digital dash and putting it in, like the big top radius, and now I'm going through and filleting all the corners. Again, all these dimensions Motec supplied. And now I'm going to come in and create the rear wall thickness, and this is going to give my piece the thickness between the top and the bottom. So there you can see I went ahead and created that. And now I'm into putting in all the information that the Motec supplied again, where all the wiring comes through, all the 3 bolt holes and the other serial cable plug. And keep in mind I have to, I'm drawing the reverse of the gauge because it's going to be facing me. And now really I've done all the hard work, and now it's a simple loft function. And then another loft to cut out the inside. And then I'll flip around and go to the back and extrude that drawing. And now I'll go and extrude all the mounting holes and the other wiring holes. And that's it for the first iteration. I do expect that there'll be some design things I need to try. I know we'll probably have a couple versions of this before I'm happy, but this will be the first version, and there you go. Like I said, this took me like 2 weeks to figure out, so you're getting the cut down simple version. But I'm much faster already with this, and I'm only going to get better. So now we'll put this into the 3D printer and we'll have us a piece to try. What I'd like to look into today is my bezel. I'd love to get that transferred over to the 3D printer and get it going as soon as possible. That way I have my first template. On the thicker parts it knows to just kind of like honeycomb it.
Yeah, so I can change my fill there. I can make it 100% solid, or I can make it completely hollow.
Interesting.
Usually 20% is a pretty good happy medium.
So fucking cool. Guys, So this has been running for a few hours. It's taken a couple tries. So this is just a prototype, so we don't have to go crazy. I'm just trying to get the basic dimensions and everything, and really see if it's going to work. See if it sits in the dash the right way to where I can see it appropriately and all that stuff. So you can see one of the problems we had was this little edge. See how that edge is actually kind of lifted away from the base plate? So it looks like it's doing it again. So that's a problem. But I think we'll be able to get at least a usable prototype out of this. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see something I drew up in the program to come to life here. Definitely exciting. I can't wait until it's done because it's the end of the day and I need to get home. So I'll have to grab this from them next time I'm over here, which is probably next weekend. So I'm sure he'll send me some pictures and shit as it gets finished up.